Kicking things off with this 1959 Porsche 356 Speedster replica listed for $43,000 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. This one's been driven just 2,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The seller notes it was fully restored just 2 years ago with around 2,000 miles on a long list of brand new 2023 upgrades. That includes a $5,000 silver paint job, four-wheel disc brakes, a custom interior with aluminum bomber seats, LED lighting, plexiglass 550 Spyder windscreen, and authentic Porsche badging. It's currently running a 1641 cubic centimeter motor with dual two-barrel carbs, though the seller mentions a 2.180 cubic centimeter engine upgrade is planned for late October at a higher price. A few small things could be sorted, like the synchro in second gear and possibly a freeway flyer transaxle. But overall, this Speedster replica looks sharp and is packed with custom craftsmanship from front to back. 1987 Lamborghini Countach 5000 S replica, priced at $29,500 US. Located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This one's showing 34,000 miles, equipped with a manual transmission, and it's built on a stretch Fiero chassis to match the exact proportions of the original Countach. Under the hood sits a Chevy 355.7-liter engine paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The seller notes it runs, drives, shifts, and brakes well, and it comes with a clean Florida title, currently registered and insured in the seller's name. Finished in striking blue over red interior, it's a bold and head-turning replica that captures the raw 1980s supercar attitude, all at a fraction of the real thing's price tag. Up next, here's a 1959 MGA Roadster, listed for $10,000 in Simpsonville, South Carolina. This vintage beauty is reported to be in good condition and runs well. The seller notes new brake lines, solid brakes and tires, plus a brand new muffler system. It carries a clean title and is ready for its next owner to bring it back to full glory. A timeless British roadster that delivers pure open-top driving charm. The kind of car that never goes out of style. Bugatti Type 35 replica, listed for $8,500 US in Newburgh, Maryland. The seller says the price was drastically reduced due to an upcoming move, and the car will soon be stored in King George, Virginia. Built on a 1973 Volkswagen Beetle chassis, this replica is powered by a reliable 1600 CSC VW engine and comes with a clean Virginia title. It runs and drives well, starts right up, and blends timeless open-wheel Bugatti styling with the simplicity and reliability of Volkswagen engineering. A true weekend cruiser and showpiece, and the seller even shared a YouTube video to see it in action. Selling only due to relocation, a real opportunity for anyone wanting vintage style with dependable mechanics. 1992 Lamborghini Diablo 30th anniversary.
This is a Lamborghini Diablo replica shell for a 30th anniversary edition. These are very hard to find. You can look online, you can see that they go for an outrageous amount of money. This was a movie prop, so currently is sitting on a tube frame, not a chassis. So there is no VIN on this right now. It is just the shell. You can put it on a Pontiac Fiero, MR2, or possibly a custom tube chassis, whatever you want. So I'm putting it up, 4,500 bucks. It's a great deal. If you know what it is, then you know how valuable it is. If you don't try to lowball me. I'll just wait. Thanks.
Listed for $5,000 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This one's a replica shell, not a complete car, and comes without a chassis, a VIN or title. From the seller's description, it's a rare 30th anniversary edition body that can be mounted on a Pontiac Fiero, Toyota MR2, or a custom tube chassis. The seller notes it's an excellent and hard-to-find project opportunity for a builder looking to create their own Diablo replica. Asking $5,000 or open to trades for a Miata, car trailer, forklift, or smart car only. Up next, we got this Ford GT Kit Car on a 1985 Pontiac Fiero listed for $6,500 in Warsaw, Indiana. The car runs and drives but needs work to finish properly. From the seller's description, it's based on an 85 Fiero chassis showing just over 78,000 original miles. The body replicates the iconic Ford GT design, and while it's a solid starting point, the seller advises it should be trailered home due to its current condition, open to partial trades, and ready for someone to take it to the next level. And here's another Fiero-based build, a 1985 Pontiac Fiero Lamborghini countach kit car, priced at $5,500 and listed in Manlius, New York. This one's powered by a 2.8-liter V6 with a manual transmission and has 100,000 miles. From the seller's description, most of the parts needed for completion are included depending on how accurate to the original countach you want to go. It's a one-owner car offered with a clear title and even a spare 1984 Fiero GT for parts. The seller humorously notes the reason for selling as wife, making it a fun project with character and potential. Now take a look at this 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder by Beck, priced at $56,550 and listed in Evans City, Pennsylvania. This Beck development replica has just 310 miles since its rebuild and features a Ron Fleming /FAT Performance 1835 cubic centimeter engine. From the seller's description, it was purchased as a rolling chassis from Special Edition and later fully refreshed with dual HPMX 40 carbs, Willwood brake and pedal kits, new hydraulic clutch, new shift system, and freshly upholstered seats and carpet. Additional details include a Porsche 356 walnut shift knob, new battery, and an extensive list of new parts and upgrades. It comes with a clean Montana title and is ready to drive or show. A beautifully finished 550 Spyder with period-correct detail and craftsmanship. (1936) replica Lincoln Mark IV, listed for $11,500 in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. This mini-mark kit car has been thoroughly gone through, featuring a rebuilt 1600 dual-port motor with about 500 miles since completion. From the seller's description, it has new brakes, clutch, pressure plate, and tires, and has been used primarily as a summer show car stored in a heated garage. The car has won a few local trophies and remains in clean, unique condition. The seller notes it's firm on the price and available for serious buyers who understand the rarity of this distinctive replica. 1931 Alfa Romeo 8C replica, listed for $11,500 in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. It's showing 99,999 miles, has a manual transmission, and is finished in red over a tan interior. From the seller's description, this 1931 Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 Roadster replica is built on a 1964 Volkswagen platform. It starts right up and drives well, powered by a rear-mounted VW engine. Recently, the front end was aligned and greased, and new leather seat covers were installed featuring the Alfa design. The seller mentions the Ferrari stickers are a nod to Enzo Ferrari's early racing days with Alfa Romeo. It draws attention everywhere it goes and is being sold due to downsizing garage space. Up next, we have this 1971 Volkswagen-based McLaren F1 replica, listed for $7,500 in Macomb, Michigan. It's a manual transmission car finished in bright yellow with a black interior and runs and drives with a clean title. From the seller's description, this McLaren F1 replica is built on a VW Type 1 chassis and powered by a Porsche 914 built engine paired with a 4-speed transmission. It features Willwood disc brakes on all corners, aluminum wheels, Neal hydraulic brakes and clutch system, new JBL speakers, and a BMW-style faux engine cover. The seller notes it's quick, fun, and nearly complete. Only interior panel installation and minor finishing touches remain, asking $9,000 or best offer. And finally, here's a 1978 Bradley Gt2 Kit Car, listed for $5,000 in Scotch Plains, New Jersey. It's been driven 150,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and comes with a clean title. From the seller's description, this is a rare example, with only about 500 Bradley GT2s ever produced. It's built on a Volkswagen Pan with a 1600cc engine and a 4-speed manual gearbox. The car runs and drives, but will need a full tune-up and carburetor adjustment to be road ready. The body is complete and in good shape, making it a great restoration candidate for serious buyers looking for a classic, uncommon, VW-based kit car. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. If that rubber burning madness fired you up, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed. More street legal monsters coming. Don't miss the next video.